I'm going to take a break from regular content, and I'm going to talk to you about IMHA, Immune-Mediated Hemolytic Anemia in dogs. As this says, it's a condition where the immune system attacks the body's own red blood cells. It leads to anemia, reduced oxygen delivery to tissues, and there's a primary and secondary. Secondary causes may include infections, medications, vaccines, cancer, inflammation. And it is life-threatening. I've had 3 dogs that had IMHA. They've all passed away. This is Bucky. He was the one that lasted the longest. He received the first stem cell infusion in our area, and we got stem cells from Safari Vet in League City, Texas. Here's their logo, so you can find them if you need to. Bucky had primary, as far as we know. There was no reason for him to have it. He relapsed once, and he stayed stable after that. He lasted about 3 years after his first diagnosis. And his death had nothing to do with IMHA. His death was caused by having to go in and be put under to do dental work. He had a bad heart. So he had primary. Secondary, I had 2 dogs with secondary IMHA. Sadie, she had liver issues. She had a liver shunt and liver disease. She was born with it. And it ended up being turning into IMHA, I guess, and that's what killed her. And Timon, he was a street dog that just basically moved into our house. His was caused by heartworms. He actually had Evans syndrome, which includes IMHA. I'm not sure of the other disease. Let me look. I don't know. Basically, it's the same thing in my book. I hate talking about this because they were my babies and I still cry over them all the time. The symptoms you need to look for are pale gums. That was the first one that I noticed in Bucky because he was the first one that had the issue. He had pale gums, and he fell out in the yard and started howling. That's how we found him. So we took him to the vet, and we found out he had IMHA. Weakness, rapid breathing, lack of appetite, lethargy, and sometimes they will also pee blood. You will see blood in their pee. The treatment for IMHA: in severe cases, a dog may need to be hospitalized and given blood transfusions or fluid therapy to stabilize the red blood count, and sometimes they will do a splenectomy and remove the spleen. I did not do the splenectomy. Bucky had to have, he only had to have 1 transfusion for each relapse that he had. And I'm going to tell you, it's very expensive. After we got the stem cells from Safari Vet in League City, he stayed stable after that. He did not relapse. So I highly recommend, if you have the money, it was $1,200 when we did it. But $1,200, do the stem cell. It's worth it if you have the money. I would absolutely recommend you do the stem cell treatment from Safari Vet. But along with IMHA, it comes with being on steroids, prednisone. Bucky was on prednisone for a while, and it ended up giving him diabetes. I had to give him shots every day. His life was dependent on being with me 24/7. If you aren't ready to do that, then, and if you don't have the money, nobody's going to be mean to you or think you're an awful owner if you have to put them down. This is a horrible disease, horrible. And if your dog has this, they also may put them on something like an immune suppressant. I forgot the name of it, but they'll do that, and they'll also give them antibiotics sometimes. I highly recommend that if your dog is on prednisone and all the medicine that comes with IMHA, get slippery elm to help their tummy, because they will poop blood there after a while. Once your dog is stable, or cats can get IMHA too. Once they're stable, I highly recommend getting this. It's Vet Classics Blood and Energy. I know it's there. Vet Classics Blood and Energy. And you can get it on Amazon. The link is in my bio. I don't sell things unless they work. And this stuff helped Bucky. It gave him energy. He was running and playing. Even having diabetes and all this wrong, he was running and playing. I gave it to the other 2 dogs. It helped them. I just want to cry. I hope this has helped somebody. I wish somebody would have made a video like this for me. I wish there was somebody that could answer questions about it. If you have any questions, just drop them in the comments. I will answer what I can. And to recap, this is in my bio. Do not give it to them until they are stable. And Safari Vet, they are in League City, and they do stem cell treatments not only for IMHA but other things as well. Go to their website. I hope this has helped somebody. Thank you for watching.